ignoring the loss, the decreasing, anything getting decreased while performing any action, ignoring violence if there is violence in performing any action, ignoring portion, the strength and stamina which you are possessing. After such big ignorance, मोहात परम पुरुषा कर्तृत्व अज्ञानात् यत् कर्म आरभ्यते क्रियते तत् तामसम् उच्यते. After ignoring these things, if someone falls in moha and it rejects the doership of the Paramatma, at that condition, in that mood, if he is performing, if he is starting any action, that action is known as tamasic. We have learned about the three kinds of karmas, and now we will be discussing about three kinds of doers. First of all, the sattvic doer. What does it say? Let's see. Mukta sango naham vade dhrityutsaha samanvida siddhya siddhyor nirvikara karta sattvika uchyate. Mukta sangha, phala sangha rahita. The doer which is freed from attachment of the fruits which are sure to come as an outcome, as a result of the actions performed by him. Anarhavadi, kartritva abhimana rahita, who is unegoistic, who never thinks that he is the doer, he is the performer of all the actions. He accepts the Paramatma to be the major player, major factor of any action being performed. Dhrityutsaha samanvita, endowed with firmness, patience and zeal. Arabde karmani yavat karma samapti avarjanaya dukkha dharanam dhriti. If one has started his job, his business, his actions of his life, there are sure some challenges to come in that path. Even after experiencing a lot of chains of pains and strains, in that righteous path, one is continuing on that path. Such firmness, such patience should be accompanied by a doer. And utsaha udyukchetastam, while performing the actions suggested by Shastras, a person should perform those actions with full zeal. Tabhyam samanvida siddhya siddhyo nirvikara. When the practitioner is having patience from pains and zeal to perform such actions, accompanied with these two behaviors, siddhya siddhyo nirvikara, yuddhado karmani dadupakarana bhuta davyajanari siddhyo avakar chitta karta sattvik uchyate, that the person should be firm, balanced. Even whenever in the practices like the Yuddha for Kshatriya performs war, Brahmins used to read literatures, Vaishyas do business, and Shudras to save service, and women are made to safeguard the Kul Parampara, Dharma Parampara, Shastri Parampara. While performing these actions, there may be loss, there may be profit, there may be good name, there may be bad name. Maintaining balance and unswayed by success and failure, such a doer